All right, we're going to do a quick roll through the pages assembly in 5 minutes or less. So for standard level, your pages are commentary. It's going to be one chapter and it's going to be up to 1 to 3 pages in length, no more than 3 pages. The length of clip commentary in pages should equal about 1 minute of reel. So a 1-page commentary is going to be equivalent to that 1 minute clip. All right, if you have 3 clips, then you have 3 pages, and those clips are going to add up to 3 minutes long, not over. A 3-page commentary would equal a 3-minute clip. 1 clip, which is 3 minutes, and it's 3 pages. Do not go over 3 minutes, do not go over 3 pages. So each clip commentary has 5 parts. Okay, we have the production rule declaration and clip title, and time, statement of filmmaker intent, inquiry, action, and reflection section. So this is what the standard level looks like. It's one chapter involving one roll, chapter 1, 1 to 3 clips, and 1 to 3 pages. Okay, so we have film roll. It's going to be 1 to 3 clips, 3 minutes max, and up to 3 pages of commentary. So this is what a 1-minute clip commentary looks like. 1 minute, 1 page. We have the roll declared. We have the clip title and the time. We have the statement of intent. Then we have an inquiry section, written and visual evidence, action, written and visual evidence, reflection, written and visual evidence. Should be balanced. You'll see in the mark band that you need a balance between visual and written evidence. All right? If you do a 1 roll and 3 clip reel, you're going to have clip 1, clip 2, clip 3. 1 page for clip 1, 1 page for clip 2, 1 page for clip 3. And each have this, the declared role, statement of filmmaker intent, inquiry, action, reflection, with visual evidence. So the HL Pages commentary, each chapter, you're going to have 3 chapters, is 1 to 3 pages in length, no more than 3 pages. The length of commentary in pages should be equal to 1 minute of reel. So chapters 1 and 2 involve 1 to 3 clips each. So those would be 3 pages or minutes per chapter. It would be a lot like doing a 3-roll chapter 1 submission that we just talked about for the standard level. Chapter 3 involves 1 3-minute clip or up to 3-minute clip. So that 1 up to 3-minute clip equals about 3 pages, no more, 3 minutes in length for the reel, no more. Each clip commentary has 5 parts: production role declaration, clip title and time, statement of filmmaker intent, inquiry, action, and reflection. So the HL, we have 3 chapters with 3 distinct roles. Chapter 1, 1 to 3 clips, no more than 3 minutes maximum, and 1 to 3 pages, no more than 3. Keep it self-contained. Do not let that 3rd page go into a 4th page and into chapter 2. Chapter 2, different role, 1 to 3 clips, 3 minutes maximum time, 1 to 3 pages, hopefully close to 3. Do not go over the 3 page. All right, do not let that 3rd page go into roll 3. Chapter 3 is only 1 clip, full complete film, up to 3 minutes maximum, and up to 3 pages commentary. Do not go over 3 pages. So you'll see that each one is self-contained like a chapter in a book. You rarely see a chapter in a book go into the next page where a new chapter starts. It is empty for the rest of the page and then it goes into the next clip. So please follow that. Notice with the HL3 page, this is the statement of filmmaker intent, and then the inquiry section. Notice there's a balance between visuals and written commentary. Here's the action section: written, visual, written, visual, written, visual, written, visual. You notice like almost every paragraph has a visual representation of it. And then we get into the reflection section. Here, written, visual, written, visual. All right, to wrap up, You create your FPA Pages commentary. You've probably done that already. Follow the instructional materials that we provided for you. Review the notes from your supervising teacher. Compare your FPA commentary with this example and the other exemplars we've provided. Fix, add, and adjust anything that's wrong or missing. And once you do that, lock it in and review the final checklist. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of information. So take the time to review this. Stop if you need to. And fix everything, because the responsibility falls on the student to complete this task appropriately and accurately. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, contact your teacher.